Hey, Mike the Marketing Medic here. Are you trying to start a business, maybe grow a business, create an online income for yourself? If you are, you feeling a little bit confused, bewildered, maybe even befuddled? If so, I get that. I've been there. We've all been there. And that's the point of this video. This video is to offer you some help, and I'm not going to sell you anything. All I'm asking is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, you're probably wondering, why would I subscribe to this guy's YouTube channel? And the reason is because I've got some pretty cool playlists in there that I think will help you out. Okay, I've created a formula called the Empathic Marketing Strategy. And it is just what it sounds like. Empathic marketing allows you to relate better to your audience so that they will respond better to you. I've also created Facebook Tag. Tag stands for Targeted Audience Growth. That allows you to build a relationship with your audience while selling to them at exactly the same time. It's a really ninja strategy. I think you'll love it. Now, here's the thing. I'm a little bit different than other marketers out there. Okay, what makes me different? Well, one, I'm not in front of my rented Lambo. I'm walking on the trails with my dogs, getting absolutely feasted on by mosquitoes. I didn't realize they were this nasty when I came out here. But more than that, I succeeded offline before I succeeded online. I was a firefighter paramedic for 12 years. And as a firefighter paramedic, what I learned was you need to take action. If you don't take action, somebody's going to die. And in marketing, it may be not as severe, but it's still pretty important, right? Taking action. So if you want some help learning the strategies, learning the traffic, and knowing what to do when you're taking action, all you got to do is subscribe to my channel. It's that easy. Again, won't cost you a dime, not even your email. All right, guys, I'm going to try to get home before I lose all my blood to the mosquitoes. And I look forward to seeing you on my Marketing Medic YouTube channel. All right, guys, see you there. Bye-bye.